Good morning, my beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys staying safe, staying blessed. Welcome back to my channel. I want to shout out to all the new subscribers again. Thanks for the support, the love that you guys are showing, sharing. I'm sharing back with you guys. So guys, this morning I got some banana and oatmeal pancakes. Healthy choice today, guys. Going down. Really simple for you guys. Sure the kids will love it too. So guys, let's jump right in and get it. Okay guys, let's get this going. Guys, I got two bananas, right? Bananas right here in my bowl. And we're gonna crush bananas right here, guys. And use a fork. The fork will crush bananas the same way this does. Or you use a potato masher. Okay, just smush it nicely. Pretty good. And guys, this is quick to do in the morning. All right, guys, I got 2 eggs right here. All right. Just wash my hands here, guys. And dry. All right. Just beat your eggs, guys. Just use a fork and beat your eggs. So it's the 2 eggs in, guys. Right now, 1 cup, 1.5 cup of the oatmeal I'm using, guys. All right. Got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt right here, just like a pinch of salt. Teaspoon of vanilla. Then I got a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon right here. Just gonna mix this up, guys. Look how simple this is. You guys gonna love this recipe. You guys gonna love me for this after you try it out. So no flour needed, guys. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey into this. Don't need any sugar, guys. The honey already. The bananas are sweet. Alright, so now we're gonna move over to the stove top. So guys, that's what they're looking like. Beautiful. We're gonna get them on a plate, guys. So guys, these are done. Take these out. See what they look like, guys? Beautiful. That's what we talk about. Turn up the flavor. Flavor up, guys. Alright, guys. We're gonna put it on the plate. Make it look beautiful right now. Okay, guys, you want it to look presentable, so the kids, they will go crazy for it. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do right now, guys. So guys, this is the presentation. Make the kids go crazy for it, guys. You know, some of the kids, they don't want to eat these healthy stuff. So guys, make it look good. I know it tastes good, guys. Right now, a little tomato rose on there. Not tomato rose, guys, sorry. Strawberry. Love to make tomato rose. Maybe that's why I'm saying tomato rose. But this is strawberry today, guys. Strawberry. So guys, that's what you do. Get it nicely like that. You guys can see that. Alright, we're gonna drop this right in the middle. Right here. You just fan the rose out nicely. See your strawberry rose right there, guys. Then guys, what we're gonna do, get a couple of blueberries, guys, and you drop these right around like that. Guys, look how beautiful that looks. You know the kids will go for this. You know, mom or dad, that looks so pretty. You know, and guys, this is another way I'm showing you guys what you can do with the strawberry. Get it on the plate for it to look good, alright? You can either cut it this way also. Nice thinly, all the way down. All the way down, guys. Thinly, you probably get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices out of it like that, guys. And then, you just do that. And you fan it out like that, guys. And that you can drop in the center instead of doing the rolls, alright? That you can drop it on there. Guys, we're just gonna set this one right here on the side. Then, we're not done, guys. Get your honey. Instead of using that pancake syrup, get your honey and you do that. You drizzle that all over. Beautiful, guys. They will love this. Yeah, see that? You put it on the fruits and the rose. Wow. Guys, that's what we talk about. Turn up the flavor right there. Alright, guys, flavor up again. Every time, guys. So here, the breakfast is ready. Guys, beautiful to the eyes and taste to the mouth. Alright, guys, thanks for watching again. Like, share this video. Guys, hit the notification bell. You guys will know when I post another amazing flavor up recipe. Thanks for watching.